Welcome back. Today we are looking at the Marriott by the Falls, Marriott Hotel in Niagara Falls on the Canada side. It is walking distance to Niagara Falls, has a lounge, a swimming pool, and exercise room, tons of space to sit. The lobby is beautiful. Check that out. Amazing. Straight ahead is the elevators. To the right is the, what do you call it? Front desk. Left is the pool. And stick around for the lounge because it has an amazing view. Okay, we're going to go down and check out the pool first. It is actually massive. There's a mirror on one side, but the pool is actually pretty big. It's inside. There is a spa. There's also on this side showers and bathrooms. And then along the other wall, there's more places to sit next to the big windows. Of course, you want an inside pool here. Next, we have the gym, our fitness center. It's actually really big. It's a good fitness center. It's got several like weightlifting machines here in the corner, which is awesome. And then the balls, of course, in the middle there. Over on the side here, we've got some stationary bikes. And then that is not a mirror. It actually does continue. Some more machines, free weights, and then lots and lots of treadmills for those who like to run and walk. And they are the nice kind that go up and down. And there are some more bikes on this side. Actually, no, those were ellipticals. The bikes are right over here. So, and there's the free weights there on the back wall. So yeah, awesome gym. Okay, this is room 2016 of the Niagara Falls Marriott by the Falls. This is our little room. It's 2 queen beds. A little desk here with a bench, 4 drawers, pretty standard TV. And then this little guy with a drawer. And then over here we have a little sitting area with a breakfast table. And then, let's see, the bathroom is over this way. There's this little tiny, like, area here for, it's a coffee bar. And then a little fridge that is literally just made for drinks. It's not even super cold. And a little closet here. There's that with another little table on it. Here is the bathroom counter with 1 sink. And then the mirror with the makeup light around it. The second mirror over here so you can check the back of your hair, which is great. Standard toilet. And then here is the shower, no bathtub. And then this door to the bathroom, I'll show you this, is pretty terrible. So it is like a sliding barn door. You can see that, but I can see right out of it. I don't know, I can't focus, but I mean, there's this giant crack in the door and no lock. So there's that. There's a little gift shop. This is the concierge lounge at this Marriott. Over here we've got a little coffee machine with a coffee bar, tea, complimentary drinks. And then in this area there is a little office workstation. And then lots of seating. Over here is a little snack table. They told us they just do snacks in here. They don't do hors d'oeuvres or anything like that. And they did give us like a coupon for breakfast. That's downstairs in the restaurant. So this is the view from the concierge lounge. So it's amazing. And that is the lounge.